Coming soon to CTV. The Toronto Maple Leafs play the fastest game on the planet. But for the men in the kitchen, they have to be even faster. Hey, Wesolowski, get on that soup.
Right away, the lobster bisque will be in just a couple of seconds.
Lobster bisque. Bozak is allergic to shellfish. Give me that. I need more power. High drama and dinner. Damn it, Lanu. Stop showboating with that Ginsu knife. You know Fanouf likes his kumquats sliced, not diced. Leaf Kitchen on CTV. Starring Noah Wiley.
Hey!
Julianne Margulies. Enrico Colantoni.
I can't cook this anymore.
And starring Kiefer Sutherland. Copy that. There's a bad souffle in the oven. Bad souffle! I need you people to move! These cooks prepare excitement. It's Leaf's Kitchen. Friday nights on CTV.
Time of the show, 9 p.m. Also shown in Winnipeg at 8 Central or 7 Mountain in Calgary. The show is also shown at 6 p.m. Pacific Time. Once again, that's 9 o'clock, followed by 8, 7, and 6 p.m. Pacific.